This is my 98 Chev half-ton with 9 inches of lift, 6-inch Dixie pack suspension, 3-inch body, 35-inch BFC mud train. Do a little drive-by here with this true dual exhaust setup with cats, 4-inch tips, 2-inch all the way back. And then we're going to do this one here, the 97. So, fire it up for you. Oh. Give her! Do a drive-by. Nice old country out here, nice fresh air. Oh, here he comes. Here's my 97 Chevy 1500. True dual cats. Eagle alloy rims. I'm selling today. Wish I wasn't. One of the cleanest trucks you'll find in Hastings. Train slipped a little bit. Fucking hit third, she just wound out. She was 97. Show me what she's got! Here he comes. Turn around in the field, of course. I got underneath here. Fucking. Alright, here he comes. God, that sounds fucking good. My God. Oh. Yeah, well, today we plan on chopping out our cats and doing some different shit to it, but that sounds fucking good. All sideways. There's the 2 half-tons. know what you think.